What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be surprising one of my best friends with $15,000. Jesus Christ. Here you go, sir. You're the new owner of $15,000. Thank you. All right, you can get the hell out of here. Bye. I'll see you later, buddy. See ya. Bye. No, give me that shit back. No, but in actuality, guys, today we're going to be going and looking at a C5 Corvette to possibly buy, more than likely buy. It looks pretty good in the pictures, and hopefully it looks as good in person. If it does, then we're going to be bringing it home. Palmer is awesome enough to be driving me, so huge shout out to Palmer. His channel will be linked in the description. Go give him a follow. He also does YouTube videos and Instagram videos and all that stuff, so be sure to check him out. All right, buddy, you ready to go?
You're going to get a Mustang?
Hell no. Oh, you just want me to get a Mustang. Yeah. That's what it is. All right, let's go get a Mustang. Screw the Corvette. We'll just go get a Mustang. This thing is crazy freaking loud. Holy shit. Pulling up to the place now. Hopefully this car looks good. All right, guys. Well, here she is. Just test drove her a little bit with Palmer, and she runs pretty damn good. So we're gonna be buying this thing. Well, guys, she's officially bought. Sorry I didn't video very much of the initial buying process. Obviously, you had to respect the homeowner, and we did not want to film him. So we're about to be driving this thing all the way back to Alabama. We got Palmer in the 5.0 right there, and this thing looks great. So let's get some POV driving going right now. Now, this thing does have a little bit of belt squeal that we will have to be fixing. You can probably hear it on the camera. Listen. So we'll be doing that pretty soon. But other than that, this thing drives pretty decent, I ain't gonna lie. And the gears are super long in these cars. It's insane. You know, coming from a C8, this thing still feels pretty good to drive, I ain't gonna lie. Even being 20 years old. Now, once we get some fuel, I'll do a couple pulls just so you guys can hear how awesome this thing sounds. Even being 20 years old, the LS1 sounds remarkable. This thing has some headers and I think a catback on it. So, yeah, it sounds pretty gnarly. The only question is, which side is the gas tank on? Is it on, we're just gonna take a guess. Is this even, oh yeah, it is 93, good. First fill up in the C5 Corvette. Where's my wallet? Oh, never mind. Oh, excuse me, sir. Yeah, I need my wallet. I have no more money now, okay? I just bought another Corvette. This car, dang, dude, I'm so uncultured. I don't even know how to pop the gas. Where's the gas release on these things? I actually really don't know. What, do you just unlock it? Wait. Hey, how do you put gas in a C5?
Out here in Georgia.
I'm not joking. How do you put gas in on these things?
Yeah, I think when we get back to Cody's house, we're gonna wash the car.
Guys, help. Someone help me. I really don't know how to put gas in this car. Wait, hold on. I'm about to Google it. Oh my God, it's in the center console? No way. Dude, what? It's literally.
That's his favorite.
Why? Why is there a gas? I just got defeated by a gas cap, dude.
That's insane.
Anybody want to buy a C5? I'm already tired of it.
Don't they take diesel?
Yeah, that's why I'm at the diesel pump, bro. Yeah, you know, not too bad.
Most of those little marks you can get out with paint.
A lot of the, yeah. If this car was like paint corrected and ceramic coated, I'm pretty sure it would clean up. Honestly, the paint's in pretty decent shape.
Not bad at all. I didn't like the wheels through the pictures, but I like them.
Yeah. A lot better than I expected, honestly, except for the squeal. The belt squeal we gotta fix. But once we feel the belt, dude, damn, you're loud. Once the belt squeal is gone, this car is going to be mint. Well, guys, I officially bought a real Corvette. one with pop-up headlights. Yeah, that's nice. Well, we're gonna grab some food from Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna give you all a little walk around of the car now that we have a little bit more space, so y'all can just see how clean this thing is. The front badge is actually broken just a little bit right there. Don't know how, but we'll get that replaced. Probably with a stealth badge if they actually make them aftermarket. I have no idea. Tell me what you guys think of the wheels. I don't know if I like them yet. We obviously need some new tires on these. They're like 6 years old. He really didn't drive this car very much, so it needs some new tires, and we might go with some new wheels. If y'all have any suggestions for wheels, be sure to let me know, because I have no idea what looks good on a C5. So we're almost home. I've been driving this car for like an hour and a half, and this thing has done phenomenally. Like I said before, the previous owner only drove this thing like 5,000 miles the entire time he owned it. I think he owned it for like 3 or 4 years. I don't know. I'll have to go back and check. But it just made an hour and a half road trip flawlessly. You know, there's really no complaints about how this thing drives. So I'm super excited about this. I hope we got a good Corvette. And yeah, because no one really wants to put a lot of money into a car that they just bought. But we are going to be doing some stuff to this car, obviously. You know, we got to modify it. So that will be coming in the near future. We're going to get home. I'm going to wash this car a little bit, and then we're going to take it out and do some pictures for TikTok and Instagram, make a whole bunch of posts with that. Maybe even take the C8 out as well and get them side by side. But yeah. And here she is all cleaned up, guys. I'm still not the biggest fan of the wheels, but they do look a lot better now that they are clean. And the body of this car is in great shape to my eye. I honestly don't really see many issues with the body on this car. There's a couple scratches here and there, but overall for a 21-year-old car, this thing looks to be in immaculate condition. And if we go inside, let me just show you guys, because I don't think I've really shown y'all. Look at this. Like, 21 years old. It also needs to be cleaned. I'll have to clean the inside at a separate time. I'm running out of time right now. But, I mean, look at all of this. It looks awesome. And the side bolster is barely, it's not even like fully ripped. It's like barely just a little bit. Like most of these cars, the side bolster is completely destroyed from people sliding in and out. But this one, honestly, looks great. Now, as far as plans for this car, I don't really know yet what we're going to do with it. I don't know if we're going to just build this thing for an all-out drag build and just make it something insane. I don't know if we're going to build it mildly and then give it away to a subscriber. I have honestly no idea. I'm kind of just winging it here, and we'll just see what time brings, and I think it'll be interesting. Now, obviously, with me buying a C5 Corvette, a lot of y'all might be wondering, Cody, are you going to get rid of the C8 Corvette? The answer is hell no. I love this car. This car is awesome. I just wanted another Corvette, one that people consider to be a real Corvette. You know, this one has the mid-engine with a automatic transmission. That one has a front LS1 engine with a manual transmission. So now we have the best of both worlds, and I can make content with both cars, and I think it's going to be super, super fun. And I hope you guys are ready. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and get ready for some C5 and C8 content. It's going to be wild. So just hit that subscribe button, guys, and I'll see you later.